It only takes one bad connection to compromise your entire chimney system. Most homeowners only see the chimney from the outside, but the real protection comes from what's happening inside. A properly installed system isn't just a stainless steel liner. It's every component working together with precision. From the top plate that seals the chimney, to the stainless steel liner that safely carries smoke and gases, to the T-connection that creates a secure link to your heating appliance. When every part is installed correctly, the entire system works as one, improving draft, helping keep moisture out, and allowing your heating appliance to perform safely and efficiently. At Shamrock Chimney, we don't believe in shortcuts. Every liner system is professionally installed using premium American-made stainless steel components, engineered to work together from top to bottom. Because lasting protection doesn't come from a single part, it comes from a complete system. Shamrock Chimney, built right, built to last.